think I'm going to be cutting it close with the fuel consumption.
Ground crew this morning.
So I'd like to introduce you to three of my grandsons. This is Gavin, Gunnar, and Killian.
What up?
Hey,
How you doing?
good, how are you?
Gavin's driving,
Gavin.
Gunner's operating the radio, and
I'm just here.
Killian. No, you're in charge of the windsock.
What's that?
Yeah.
It's the flag that goes up on the top. You need to put it
Okay,
up.
So you have to sit on the top.
so we're set. Good to save the key. Go figure out how to turn it.
All still awake. Doing well back there. Good.
So Robert will do a video and post it on YouTube. Radio test.
I hear you, Poppy.
Loud and clear. Another what?
Coyote!
Cool.
There's another one! Oh, what a beautiful morning! Oh, what a beautiful day!
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, I still need brakes.
Yeah, it doesn't like to be at that kind of middle RPM that I like to fly at. It's like jumping back and forth. It's kind of weird.
Yep, I know the feeling. Yeah, don't waste your fuel.
I'm just heading straight towards the LZ. Yeah, it's actually more like 2 liters. just about 9 liters, a little more than 9 liters of fuel, and I'm down to just under 2. Still have about 7 miles to go. I had to abandon the mission because my engine's starting to run kind of rough. Feels like there's something. It just feels like there's not enough oil in the gas mixture, and my piston is struggling or something like that. I don't know. So I just had to make a beeline. I'm heading straight to the LZ. I could be completely wrong. It's possible that just flying at a higher altitude the whole time is making the engine run a little bit harder. It's hard to tell, but it's probably due for a maintenance. So I think what I'll do once I get home, I'll order the rebuild kit. I think it's like a 100-hour or something like that, 100-hour rebuild kit. I'm probably over 70 hours on this motor by now. But yeah, I can see the LZ now, so we're looking good. Yeah, I have a just under 2 liters left. We're gonna be cutting it close. Jeff wanted to go and check out the peak.
Knocked out right. Get rid of this dust. Sound like a good idea?
I think it's important.
Look at this, huh?
If it was a little steeper, you could free fly off of there.
You can. You got to walk out a way.
Yeah. High five. Great adventure. Hey, how you doing? So much for driving for us. That was a big deal. All you guys did a great job. We'll see you on the next one. Well, that was a great adventure. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe if you haven't done that. And if you like the video, like it. Thanks for watching. See you.